Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the workday length via the RedmineUP People plugin. Okay, so firstly, just to say that there are two workday lengths. There are two two level of appearance of the workday length. The first one is a global one, and the second one is a user level one. So firstly, I'm going to show you the global one. So you have to go to administration here on the top right corner and then scroll down to the people, and here you will see the workday length. It is already set here to be 8 hours, the standard working day for almost every company. Okay, so again to say this is a global setting and it is applied over all users and all people of Redmine. The second one is the user level, so you have to click here on the user itself, um, and afterward click on edit. And when you scroll down, when you scroll a little bit down, you will see the workday length here. It is set to be 4 hours for this guy. This is Paul Smith. So an important thing here to say is that the user level overrides the global one. So here in our example, we have 8 hours of global setting, and if we set here 0 or nothing, um, then this guy will have 8 hours workday length. However, if we set something else here, in our example 4 hours, then this guy overrides the global setting and his workday length per day is 4 hours. So I'm going to show you this so it will be easier for you to understand it. Okay, so if we return back here and click on performance of this specific guy, Mr. Smith, this is, yeah, maybe Agent Smith from the Matrix, uh, just joking. So on performance, we see that here on the 1st of July, he has 4 hours done, and this is 100% done job for this day because his workday length is 4 hours. So yeah, you see that it is 100% here. But on the 2nd of July, he has a lot of overtime. So he has 17 hours of working, so he has 425%. So this is calculated based on his 4 hour workday length. Okay, so yeah, this was the ways of setting the workday length on a project level, on a global level, and on a user-specific level. I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. And yeah, if you wish, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have some problems or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and bye bye for now.